infertility, no pregnancy despite unprotected intercourse 1 year. Up to 50% of cases due to the male factor causes multifactorial. 1 varicocele, 2 idiopathic, 3 infection, 4 genetic defect, 5 physical obstruction. Infertility, normal count, low count, azoospermia. This problem is treatable in many men. Because of negative thinking, pituitary tumor can occur, and result of it no sperm is produced, and also cause abnormality in sperm cell. No normal sperm is produced. 95% sperms are abnormal in bird-shaped low moment. In our country, always women is blamed for infertility, but in reality always man is infertile, or only some woman is fertile. Types of infertility: azoospermia, necrospermia, oligospermia. Types of azoospermia: obstructive azoospermia, non-obstructive azoospermia, normal sperm production, mechanical blockage anywhere along the reproductive tract, epididymos, vas deferens, ejaculatory ducts. Non-obstructive azoospermia, absent or minimal sperm production within the testes, testicular failure. Because of masturbation, many men fall in weakness, and then it is changed into masturbation. Infertility, not being able to conceive after 12 months of having regular unprotected sex, affects about 1 in 6 couples in Australia. Male infertility, where the problem with conceiving is due to a problem with the male partner, is a major factor in 30 to 50% of couples, and the only factor in 20% of couples. Male infertility usually results from a problem with the sperm, either low numbers of sperm or poor quality sperm. Azoospermia is the complete absence of sperm in the semen, and as such means that a man will be completely infertile. The diagnosis of azoospermia is sometimes still made, even though as many as 500,000 sperm per milliliters of semen may have been seen, because it is extremely unlikely that the man will be able to father a child naturally with this number of sperm. It's incredible to realize that millions are needed for any chance of natural conception. However, modern techniques such as ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, mean that a man can still father his own biological child with expert medical help. This means that you must ask your doctor whether you have either a very low sperm count, so that you know you do at least make some sperm, or i.e. absolutely no sperm at all, which is the worst case scenario for any man to face. Oligospermia is the leading cause of male fertility problems. A normal sperm count is 20 million or more per millimeter of semen. In order for conception to occur, a minimum of 60% of these sperm should have a normal shape, morphology, and normal forward movement, motility. However, the above sperm count figure represents a general guideline, as some men with a higher sperm count have had difficulty conceiving, while men with a sperm count lower than this number have been able to successfully get their partners pregnant. Necrospermia is a condition in which sperm are produced and found in the semen, but are not alive, and are unable to fertilize eggs. That over 40% sperms are dead in the semen analysis indicates necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which sperm are produced and found in the semen, but are not alive, and are unable to fertilize eggs. That over 40% sperms are dead in the semen analysis indicates necrospermia. Necrospermia is still a poorly documented cause of male infertility. Among infertile subjects, the incidence reported in the literature is 0.2 to 0.48%. We undertook a retrospective study to contribute to the comprehension of this abnormality. Histories, physical examination, analysis of the semen and hormonal dosages performed in necrospermic subjects were reviewed. We observed that in patients with necrospermia in at least 3 semen samples, infections represent 40% of etiologies. In 20% of the whole population, no etiology was observed, but abnormalities of the epididymis function were suggested. Through this study, we suggest an etiological classification and practical guidance in case of necrospermia. In this condition may be treated by several methods such as cortisone, sperm washing which increases sperm concentration, intrauterine insemination, or in vitro fertilization. Semen volume, the amount of fluid that makes up the semen sperm count, the number of sperm present in a standard volume. A normal sample contains more than 20 million sperm per milliliter. Motility, the percent of sperm moving when the semen is examined under the microscope. Normal is defined as 50% model. Progression, the forward movement of sperm cells. Viability, the percent of live sperm morphology or shape. Additional semen contents, such as white blood cells, are an indication of infection. Less than 5 white blood cells per high-power field is considered normal. Semen average volume of ejaculate 0.5 to 1 teaspoon. Chief ingredient fructose sugar. Caloric content 5 calories per teaspoon. Protein content 6 milligrams per teaspoon. Average number of ejaculatory spurts 3 to 10. Average interval of ejaculatory contractions 0.8 seconds. Farthest medically recorded ejaculation 11.7 inches. Impaired shape and movement of sperm. Sperm must be properly shaped and able to move rapidly and accurately toward the egg for fertilization to occur. If the shape and structure, morphology, of the sperm are abnormal or the movement, motility, is impaired, sperm may not be able to reach the egg. Absent sperm production in testicles. Complete failure of the testicles to produce sperm is rare, affecting very few infertile men. Low sperm concentration. A normal sperm concentration is greater than or equal to 20 million sperm per milliliter of semen. A count of 10 million or fewer sperm per milliliter of semen indicates low sperm concentration, subfertility. A count of 40 million sperm or higher per milliliter of semen indicates increased fertility. Varicocele. A varicocele is a varicose vein in the scrotum that may prevent normal cooling of the testicle and raise testicular temperature, preventing sperm from surviving. Undescended testicle, cryptorchidism. This occurs when one or both testicles. Causes of infertility: drinking alcohol, smoking, taking less exercise, taking less sleep, too much taking stress. Caused low sperm count. Diet increased. The oxidative stress is caused by free radical. When it emergent diet cause a high quality sperm. Many of the sperm swim properly, many swim slowly. Some sperm are improper shape, some have 2 mouths. Some sperm move properly, some not. The 200 to 500 million sperm are produced at a time. Only 1 sperm is necessary for the evaluation of the baby. Sperm motility describes the ability of sperm to move properly through the female reproductive tract, internal fertilization, or through water, external fertilization, to reach the egg. Sperm motility can also be thought of as the quality, which is a factor in successful conception. Sperm that do not swim properly will not. Drugs can reduce the quality of sperm. Diet sits so much in the water it is bad for health. Sperm dive or talking bath in the hot water. Food which are good for health: carrot, radish, corncob and mermaid fish, fruits, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin D. All are good for the sperm health, and by thigh is sperm produce and take a baby.